In this video, I'm going to show you two methods that you can use to take a screenshot on Windows 10, 11. Okay, so the first method is called open the search bar and then search for sniping tool. Now click on new and then choose which part of the screen you want to snap. For example, I can draw a rectangle here to capture this part, and then once it is here, click on save. Up here, choose a location, save it. Maybe I want it in pictures and save it. Okay, the image will be saved like that. Then another way is to use a simple keyboard cut, which is Windows plus Shift plus S. That automatically brings up this sniping window, and then if you want to take a screenshot of all your screens, you can click on this. As you see, full screen snip, it will take a screenshot of all my open screens. I have a screen here, the one you are seeing me recording, and the other screen that is on the side, so that will take a screenshot of both of them. And now let's do it again, Windows Shift S, and then we click on this irregular shape form, so we can take a screenshot in an irregular way like that. That's amazing, as you can see. So another way is to just snap the window. For example, Windows Shift S, and then I click on this window snip to take a screenshot of only the window that is open. I just click inside of this window and then to take a screenshot of this window, but my window is the desktop and it has two screens still. So that is it about this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing.